Hello world! Today I'm going to make a little showcase of Grafika, a graph rendering JavaScript library. So first is a simple, very simple graph, which has just a few nodes. It's fully interactive. It has a force layout algorithm applied to it, and it really cannot get much more simple than this. But we'll progress towards some more tests. This is just a dynamic resize to show and more importantly to test that dynamic resize works, which is something that was a bit of a pain to get working, but it finally seems to be working okay. Next is colors and styles, which showcases some more granular control over how the graph looks like. So, you have the colors, you have the different edge types, different edge alphas, as well as some effects. So that's that. Then we have simulation control, which showcases the ability to control the simulation parameters in real time. Currently there is only just a few parameters, but it's going to be very easy to extend the functionality to control pretty much every single parameter there is inside. So yeah. Another one is overlay, which is something I think is really fun. So overlay is a pre-rendered image which you can sort of overlay on top of your graph, and it helps with performance because like from this distance you don't really need to render every single node, you don't really need like animations and stuff. So you just put an image on top of the graph, and as you zoom in, the image will slowly disappear and it will be replaced by the actual graph. So there's that. And then we have large simulation. This is a tree of 500 nodes, and as you can see, it's already starting to drop FPS, and my computer is starting to fan up, but that's because I'm recording. So when I'm not recording, I actually get 60 FPS, even on my like potato tier PC. But yeah, Grafika can handle around 500 nodes before the performance starts dropping, and even then it can handle around 1000 nodes at about 30 FPS, which is actually what's going on right here in the growing tree. This is starting from ground zero, and it's slowly growing the tree until it has 1000 nodes. So I don't think we will sit through all of the animation, but just gotta take my word for it. And the final showcase is the text box mode, or the text box node shape. This one is allowing us to create these little text boxes that can contain text inside of them, and the text can actually be quite long, and it can support multiple paragraphs and stuff. And this is what I'm going to build a chat in Aphantasia, because who needs a linear chat when you can have graph chat? So that's the idea. And I would also like to show you the code. So this is the basic page, and here we have the simple graph. Let's show you that. So the way it works is that I have a let's say a wrapper or a hook around Grafika here. So I can just call add Grafika, and then I expose this graph element as the as a ref. Now I'm not a super experienced React developer, so I sort of lack the vocabulary to explain what's going on. But the point is that this use Grafika effect can be used inside inside React components, and when you use it like this, you get the element, and you get Grafika instance. Then you can call like Grafika sim start, which will start the simulation, and you can pass in the settings, which is just going to define what's in there and some additional parameters. So when we go back, I might show you, for instance, the colors and styles demo, which shows some more parameters in the nodes. As you can see, you can specify shapes, you can specify radii, colors, edge types, all that jazz. And I think another interesting one might be the sim control, where I'm just putting in a bunch of data, and then I'm looping over the data using the set interval, where I'm just adjusting the length of the edge. And where is it? Sim control. And thus I can control the simulation in real time. So yeah, I think this is it for now. I will keep you updated when I add more demos, because there are a bunch of more things that the library can do which aren't showcased here. So I guess you have something to look for. Bye.